How do you know that CAOS will really perform in a sick downturn as it hasn't been out that long? Of course, nobody knows, but you can actually go on the website. You can see how it actually works. I'm just assessing how it's built and what it's most likely to be allocated to in that time, right? So you can see, of course, this is what happened during COVID. It does spike up, and then most of the time it's designed to not really do a whole lot. And the reason for that is basically how it's structured. Box spreads themselves, this is sort of, you could consider it the regular premium that's coming in, right? It's just an option strategy that's capitalizing on the risk-free rate. Basically, you're just getting that spread. And then essentially they're using that money, they're spending that guaranteed risk-free rate profit to be doing things like protective puts and put spreads. So that's why you can actually get something that is reasonably predictable long-term, that it's not really going to bleed a whole lot of money outside of the market crash because they are producing that steady stream. It's very low, right? Talking about 4% or something like that. But then they're spending that money plus a little bit more to get that bang when something actually happens. So your question is valid. How do you know that it's going to do something? I don't know that it's going to do something, but you can just sort of gauge the history, the short history. Now, I will remind you that you can actually get the numbers going back to all the way, I think, to 2013. So it's not totally new. It's just in the ETF packaging, it's quite new. But as a previous fund, you can still get that data. At least I have that data. So, but the real trick is understanding how it works. That triple combination of box spreads, put spreads, and then protective hedging puts. It's a really well-structured ETF. It's like I went through safety positions and all of the various ones, the managed futures ones, the tail, the swans, all those things. CAOS is just a very, very well-designed fund. I really, really like it.